Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I'm going to discuss about a Python program using files to find the number of lines and number of words, number of characters, number of lines, number of words. First one is word characters, number of characters, number of words, and number of lines are present in a given file. Given file. For example, in a given file, for example, a file, one file. The file name is, for example, sample.txt. It is a file. This file stores the Python. For example, is a high level programming language. Python is a high level programming language. Okay. C is a compiler based programming language. For example, assume that compiler based programming language. Okay. Now CPP is mainly used to develop games. For example, assume that data Java is one. So, for example, data science. And these are the programs. This is a file. In this file contains this content. Now save the file and store it. And save this file and save. Okay, close the file. Now here, for example, it is a file. In this file, to find the characters in the file, number of characters, number of words, and number of lines present. Now I assume that how to find. For example, okay, clear guys. For example, this is the number of lines to find the value. Right, one is first of all to open the file. How to open the file name. Here the file name is sample.txt. Name of the file is sample.txt. To find the which purpose to open the file is open in the writing purpose. That is called as a file pointer equal to the file one object, or file pointer, anyone. This is a open syntax. Open syntax takes the two parameters. One parameter is the name of the file. Another parameter is the reading the value from the keyboard. Okay, from the file, read the value from this file. Now here, for example, now after file read file pointer dot read. This function reads the entire data from the file. This function reads the entire data from the file. Okay, this is the inbuilt function. This is used to read the data from the file. Assume that this is equal to x or some data, data. Okay, the entire data. The data is a variable. In this variable, to store the entire file content in the file, this function reads the data from the sample.txt file. The data is stored in the txt file. Okay, clear. And that assume that clear. And the next one, number of characters. This is NC. Number of characters means number of characters. NC is a small variable. Number of words is another small variable. Okay, and another small variable is number of lines. This is a small variable. Number of characters equal to now the length of data. To find the length, len function is used to find the length of a given data. One more. Number of words equal to length of. Now here to split the data by using the commas, by using the blank spaces. Anyone data dot split is a function. Split function split the entire text different parts, different words. The number of lines equal to len of data and split lines. This function is used to split the number of lines. And one more, the lastly finally find the after finding print number of characters equal to NC value. Okay, clear. Print of number of lines, number of words equal to NW. Okay, and print of number of lines equal to NL. That means NL is the variable. This means the variable meaning is number of lines, number of words, number of characters. Right? And this program sample.txt is a file. In this file, to open the mode is a reading mode, because to read the data from the file, and after reading find the length of number of total words. The read function is the entire data. Find the number of total file. So now is the number of and that data split into the different words. So now that's storing the words and divide into the number of lines that the variable is storing the NL. Clear? Run this module. Okay, here the number of characters equal to 139, the number of words equal to 24, the number of lines equal to 5. For example, to open the file, the same output or not, check it. Sample.txt file. This is a file. Okay, in this file, the number of characters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, including blank space, 8, 9, 10, and so on and so on. That is 39. The number of words are 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Clear, guys? Number of words are 24. Okay, clear. Number of lines. First line, second line, okay, second line, third line, fourth line, and fifth line. The number of lines are up to 5 lines. This is completely programmed in Java, in Python. Okay, to find the number of lines, so number of characters, so number of words using Python programming language. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much. Bye.